If you're a 7 or 8 figure business owner and you're exhausted, overweight, and trapped by your company, this video is for you. Because I'm going to show you why your biggest bottleneck isn't strategy, market conditions, or your ability to scale. It's a solvable personal capacity problem. And I'm going to prove to you that the top 1% of entrepreneurs on the planet aren't choosing between health and wealth. They're integrating them. Stick with me for the next 8 minutes and I'll show you exactly how this works. Here's what I see when I walk into a room of 100 successful business owners at masterminds or high-level events. Maybe 3 of them, if we're lucky, look healthy and actually happy. Everybody else, stressed, overweight, running on caffeine or a re-drink or a Red Bull, and sheer willpower. You've probably felt this yourself. You wake up at 3 a.m. feeling shame about what you've let slip. Your health, your body, the fact that you can't remember the last time you felt truly energized. And where's your mojo gone? You're doing seven figures in your business, maybe pushing 8, but you're trapped as a bottleneck in your own business. You can't take a vacation without the business falling apart, or you. And you're one health crisis away from losing everything that you've built. And deep down, you believe that that's just the price you pay for success. More growth equals less life. Burnout is the cost of achievement. That's what we call the Faustian bargain. And it's a lie. My name is Chris Turner, along with my business partner, Brendan Ellis. We've spent the larger part of the last couple of decades coaching hundreds of 7 and 8 figure business owners. And we kept seeing the same pattern. Brilliant entrepreneurs destroying themselves in the name of success. I've been there myself multiple times, and I've built multiple businesses, and I've hit the wall. Realized I was teaching people to scale while they were literally burning out in the process. So we got together and we asked a different question. What if your vitality was the ultimate constraint multiplier on your wealth? What if optimizing your health and mindset wasn't separate from building your business, but the foundation of it? Those 2 questions changed everything. So here's the belief that's keeping you stuck. You think success at your level requires a trade-off. You believe that to scale to 8 figures, you have to sacrifice your health, your energy, and your freedom. But here's the truth. Your biggest constraint isn't the market. It's not your strategy. It's not your inability to read a P&L or a balance sheet. It's your personal capacity. Poor health haps your energy. Poor mindset sabotages your strategy. And if you're the bottleneck, your business will never scale beyond you. Most business programs give you the 25% of the solution, just the tactics, or just the strategy. They pile on more complexity, more work, more stress, and leave you more exhausted than when you started the program. That's why they don't work. Because you can't scale a business while operating at 40% capacity. What you need isn't another business course. What you need is integration. Success isn't a trade-off. It's an integration. And when you optimize your health and mindset first, your business scales faster, easier, and more sustainably. That's what the top 1% of entrepreneurs know that everybody else doesn't. That's why we created Valentum Nexus, the 4-pillar integration system. It's built on one simple truth. The CEO is the product of all 4 pillars. Pillar number 1, health, vitality optimization, modern biohacking, physical capacity, nutrition. Because if you can't sustain energy or move without pain, nothing else works. Pillar number 2, mindset, mental toughness, clarity, leadership psychology. Because poor mindset sabotages every strategy you implement. Pillar 3, business, building a scalable enterprise that runs without you. Because you're the bottleneck. You don't have a business, you have an expensive job. Pillar 4, wealth, generational wealth, not just quarterly profits. Because what's the point of building something if it doesn't create lasting freedom? These pillars aren't separate. They are linked at a core level. And when you integrate them, when you optimize your personal capacity while building scalable systems, everything unlocks. The Nexus is delivered through 3 2-day intensive weekends with an exclusive group of 8 to 10 elite business owners only. We diagnose your initial constraint, we integrate all 4 pillars, and we build your enterprise operating system. It's dense, it's efficient, and highly supportive. No million rep fallacy, just real transformation. Now, you might be wondering, does this actually work? Let me share a few quick stories. Client number 1, Brad and Cal. They scaled their business from almost startup to well over $3 million per year. They lost a bucket load of weight and now the business runs without them. And they had their mornings back with their families.
Definitely realised we didn't have the business mindset. So Chris has taught us a lot in regards to having a clearer directions, obviously helping us get better systems and just more confidence in making business decisions.
Client number 2, Dale. Dale went from contemplating whether he could survive climbing upstairs to running half marathons and 5 kilometres around 3 times a week. His revenue's up 40% and his energy is through the roof. Client number 3, Dale built an enterprise operating system. Over the first 100 days, he's no longer the bottleneck and he has time to spend with his wife, Bronwyn, and his grandkids.
I think the bottleneck was me. And I went from almost hating my business and not understanding why to almost bouncing out of bed. And
now these aren't outliers. This is what happens when you stop treating health and business as separate and start integrating. Because your vitality is the ultimate constraint multiplier on your wealth. So here's what I want you to do. If what I've shared resonates with you, if you're tired of paying the burnout tax and you're ready to build an enterprise that creates freedom while reclaiming your health, I want you to book a free discovery call with Brendan and myself. On that call, We'll walk you through where you are. Identify your number one pillar constraint. And we'll map out exactly what your integration roadmap will look like over the first 100 days. This isn't a high-pressure sales pitch. It's a real conversation between peers. We'll be direct, honest, and only recommend the nexus if it's truly aligned with where you are and where you're going. It must be a good fit for both sides here. But I need to be clear, this is not for everyone. We only work with business owners who're ready to turn the corner, who know something has to change, who are ready to commit and do the reps. We're not looking for people who want magic fairy dust or quick fixes. We're looking for elite entrepreneurs who are serious about integration. And we only accept a handful of new clients each month. We only have one nexus in each state, and we only have a certain amount of entrepreneurs in each state. So if you're ready, click the button below this video to book your discovery call. Spots are limited, as I said, and once we're full, the doors close and you'll have to wait until the next year. Look, most people will watch this video and do nothing. They'll keep doing what's not working. They'll keep paying the dumb tax. But you're still watching. And you're not most people. You didn't build a 7-figure business by accident. You're capable of much, much more. And you know deep down that something's gotta change. So take the next step. Book your discovery call. Let's map out your integration roadmap. And let's build an enterprise that creates freedom while you reclaim your health, your energy, and your life. Click the button below. I'll see you on the call.